Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Chippa 0. I'm joined by Van Mapreka Mabanu Pumamupi.
Sadi look at Jenba umethembisa.
Yo.
Angikho happy mfethu.
Ukhala ngani puti?
Idraw ifana nelose ku Chiefs.
Yes. Yes.
Angikhali ngo-coach.
Yeah.
Labafana bafuna induku lapho.
Bonke.
Labafana bafuna induku.
Ubani futhi? Bonke.
Awu Matlo siyamthanda. Siyamthanda. Simthandela ukuthi uzohlumisa labo maqanda. Yabona labo maqanda. Siyabonga. Yabona mfethu iKaizer Chiefs I understand ukuthi idraw is a lose.
Yeah.
Always,
my brother.
Sifuni win or nothing.
Yeah. Uthi?
Sitravelé, sihambe 15 hours team. From Tembisa. Sizofika last team. Ngikolota umashonisa team. Ngizobheka iKaizer Chiefs. Sasa ibirthday yami. Bayangidisappoint. Angazi benzani kanti abafana.
Abomikeni.
Benzani?
Abasilvo.
Abafana laba balala emahhotela. Balala emahhotela labafana. Babhadala kanini manje inkinga. Sheba. Kumafere kanje jo. Benzele i3 points lana. Sheba no rogidla jwang joka 1 point.
Ice red money.
Rogidla jwang.
50 hours.
Jozi. 18 hours kawela Jordan kawela for 1 point. Mamela before the fate. Runaba kuthebile Spanish on top.
Yeah.
Sheba no mfethu.
Vale, murise.
Scan and QR code winner 25 rand.